And I'm Zainab Aisha.
And we're here at the Agastya International Foundation.
We're really thankful for the opportunity that we got. We learned many things in the most interesting way possible.
And we're grateful to our school for giving us this wonderful opportunity to really broaden our horizons.
What was the best thing about Agastya?
I think the best thing about Agastya was definitely the fact that everything is so interactive over here. Even the buildings have aspects where there's an optical illusion somewhere hidden, and it's really fun and cool to find them.
Of all the labs that you visited labs in mathematics, sciences, all the sciences, chemistry, biology, physics. Which one did you enjoy the most?
I think I definitely enjoyed the neurobiology lab the most, but a close contender would also be the DNA lab, which was centered around the cell, and it was really cool, and the whole thing was so interactive. It was really fun. I think my key takeaway is definitely, making new friends in such a short period of time, and then making friends who are helping you learn, not just playing around with you, but helping you learn whatever the concepts you have. And I think that because of the group that we were in, we weren't allowed to choose our own groups. So because we were put together with so many people, I think that definitely taught us a lot about how to cooperate with different people and how to learn from different people, no matter what their background is. Magic box and a coin. So if you put the coin in the magic box, you would expect that it falls straight into the box. But let's see what happens. You see, the coin just disappeared. But if I do this, it's back. This is actually no magic trick. It's just a clever use of optics.
Inside there's a mirror which is on 45 degrees. It reflects the front of the box, making it seem like the whole box. But what you're actually looking at is half the box.
Demonstrating what she just said, when you put the coin in, it goes behind the mirror and comes straight out. Thank you.
Hello, I'm Zainab Aisha from the Pentecostal Assembly School. So firstly, I would like to tell you all that we're in Agastya Foundation. It is an amazing campus. We have learned so much, and I'm so thankful for the opportunity that we have got. Firstly, we learned the basic concept of science, but it wasn't really basic, because if you learn about it, it's like, oh, we have learned this in class 6, in 7. But then when you actually think about it, when you apply it, it seems like magic.
Everywhere you go, there's something that has been made and from recycled materials, and I think that is super inspiring, and it really brings out something in you to want to recycle things and reuse certain items. I think that the learning over here was absolutely amazing. I think that all of the people who were teaching us, all of our facilitators, were super nice, they were super kind. Also, they did not make us feel bad if we had any questions, and they taught us everything from the base up to a really high level. So I'm really grateful for the facilitators. Also, all the interactive experiments and all the different kinds of learning that we had, it was just amazing. And I just want to say that when I got to know that I was coming to Agastya, the first thing I did is that I researched about it. And I was utterly amazed but you know, the initiative. And I saw all these videos about how each building is shaped after some animal or something. You know, like this is I think a young people, and I was amazed by that. But I just want to say that this experience was so enriching for me. I think that I always had I liked science, but I never loved science. But I think that after this, I'm starting to love science to an extent because it is just they made this program so well that I enjoyed every single second, whether it be interacting with our